Hello, UNV 101 students. I am going to show you how to create and share a Google Doc with your professor so that you can complete your reflection this week. So when you are in your browser, if you are already logged into Google, it's going to be as quick as clicking on, I guess, this menu here, clicking into your drive. Right? And then getting started, okay? But if you're not logged into Google and that's kind of tripping you up, go to your My Miami page and go into your email. When you get into your Miami email, you are going to automatically be in your Google account. So then you'll be able to go to this Google Apps menu and go into Drive. Okay, so either way works, but I know sometimes getting logged into Google can be a problem. When you're in Drive, you're going to click New, make a Google Doc. You're going to title your Google Doc with your unique ID. So don't use mine, use yours. And then Academic Integrity Reflection. All right, so everybody's will have a different name because we all have unique IDs, right? So then here is where you're going to enter your reflection. So this is my reflection about the girl and her cell phone during an exam. Right? So you're going to spend about 5 minutes really thinking about this. There is no right or wrong answer, by the way. You certainly want to incorporate things that you have learned today in class about academic integrity, but nobody's going to tell you that you're right or wrong, okay? When you are done typing, you're going to click Share. And you are going to share it with your professor. So you're going to need to know your professor's unique ID. Often you can just type their name and it will come in. So let's say your professor is Tracy Strunk. All right. I can type her name and she's going to pop up, or I could have typed her unique ID. But in any case, I'm going to share with her. I'm going to make her an editor because she might want to make some comments. And I'm going to make sure that she notifies, okay, so that she's notified via email. If you want to type a great message like, "You are awesome, Tracy." All right, you might not want to do that. Anyway, then you're going to click Send, okay? Once you click Send, that's going to be shared with your instructor. And that is it.